So you're at work, you got nothing to do. You're sitting there in your cube or office, you're chilling. It's slow, real slow. You got nothing to do. What should you do at work when there's nothing to do? Very good question. Well, first of all, there's always something to do. And all of us are blessed to have smartphones in our hands. With some jobs, you can't use a smartphone, I understand that, but some you can get away with. So I'll talk on both sides. So if you're at home, work, bored out your mind, nothing to do, there's always something to do. Okay? What you can do, what I would do, is create content. That's the number one thing you can do at work with nothing to do. And you don't need a smartphone to do it. Get you a pad and pen, like I showed you in the other video. Get you a pad and pen. Start writing down stuff to do videos about. Start writing down stuff to do blog posts about. Start writing down stuff you want to learn. Now, some jobs you can't have your phone on the floor or be on your phone, period. I understand that. But for those jobs, that's what I would do. I would get a pad and pen and I would create my YouTube channel. Because if you think about it, half, 30% of making YouTube videos is coming up with the content. I would get a pad and pen, write down this video here, video 2, video 3. I'll write down a blog post title. That's what I would do first. If I can't get up, I'm on work, I can't get on my phone, or I can't get my phone up, but I'm just sitting there doing nothing, I get a pad and piece of paper and start writing stuff down. That's what I would do. I'll write down my goals and my dreams. I'll write down my weekend, what I gotta do, what I gotta clean, what I gotta scrub, what I gotta fix this weekend. I will make my shopping list. I will make my Amazon list. We'll buy some Amazon. I will write out stuff I have to look up, how to do this, how to make that, all that stuff at work. So once you get home, all that homework is done. So you won't do enough stuff at work, with nothing to do, of course. So when you get home, you could dive right in. There's no what I gotta do now. It's just, okay, first thing I gotta do is write this article. Second thing I gotta do is look up, this thing on Amazon. Third thing I gotta do is order Amazon, order this, that, and third. You wanna have it like that. So what I suggest is create a list of things to do. Create a list of blog posts you wanna write, of videos you wanna shoot. Create a list of things you got planned for the weekend. Create a list of taking your spouse out for a nice dinner or afternoon, whatever. Do all of that stuff while you're at work. Get the little stuff done first. If you have the opportunity to go to your car and make a video, even better. You can write the video down, go to your car, shoot it. Once you get home, you upload it. So that's another thing you can do also. So for people who work in the warehouse, who like I used to work in the warehouse, I understand you can't get your cell phone because the service is terrible, and you can't carry a pen and pad around because you're in the warehouse, you're in the freezer or you're in the dry side, and you can't do all that stuff. And you're on a pallet jack or whatever. As I keep one of these pen, while I come up with an idea, write it down. When I have my 30-minute lunch or 15-minute breaks, I pull the phone out, start writing a blog post, or go to my car and write and shoot a YouTube video. That's what I would do with my time with nothing to do at work. And granted, if you had nothing to do at work, you can always find things to do for next week. See, if it's a Thursday and y'all guys if your job is slow, what's coming in next week that I could get a head start on? Or what can I do today to make next week a little bit easier? Do that as well. So think of the future. Think what's going to happen next week, next Monday, next Tuesday. What can I do to get ahead of that curve? That when it happens, when it comes that day, it's lighter. But that's what you can do. There's always something you can do. And because if you're not a billionaire, if you're not a freaking millionaire, you should be always doing something. Post on Craigslist, post on eBay, flip stuff. Look online. If you actually take your cell phone and at work and they're cool with it and man, look up stuff, look at how to make a side hustle, a third hustle, a fourth hustle, and get started. That's what I do when there's nothing to do at work. I would create work for myself. That's what I would do, and that's what I do at my job. My name is Todd from LetsKing.com. If you like that message today, please give me a thumbs up. Please share my video, sub to my YouTube channel. And any comments, questions, concerns, or you want to have a dialogue about this subject, please leave me know. I'm happy to talk about it. Thanks for watching.